Hello! Today we will be showing you how to install your BBQube rotisserie kit on your pizza rig. Let's get started. In order to assemble this rotisserie kit, we recommend using 2 number 10 wrenches or 1 adjustable wrench and 1 number 10 wrench. First, we will attach the motor support bracket on the side of the pizza ring, which contains the 2 holes that will align with the bracket. Tighten both bolts with your hands before doing so with your wrenches to prevent your bracket from being wobbly and uneven. Attaching the forks to the skewer is easy. When you are ready for this step, simply skewer your bird with the rotisserie bar and slide your forks on each end. Make sure the adjustable fork pins are pinching a flat side of the rotisserie bar and not an edge. The pointier end of the rotisserie bar is the side that will slide securely into the motor. Properly slide the motor onto the bracket. Lastly, make sure the back 2 bolts of the pizza ring are perfectly centered with the back of your grill so that the lid can close down and make a perfect seal. Now you're ready to roast the perfect bird to wow your friends and family.